And here's something else you're going to be getting. It's this little PowerPoint. If you need to convince people in your building that the sentence ringer is something that could actually show up on scores, take a look at this. There's the sentence ringer. Psst, Amy. You are in the back row. Did I tell her something? Psst, Amy. Every time you sit there, did I tell her something? I did not. Psst, Amy. Whenever I would leave you. Did I tell her something? No, I did not. Is there a verb? And how many sentences? If there are more than one, how are they joined? If we do this systematically, then you hear students doing this. You hear it's a conversation. The conversation goes, psst, Amy, blah, 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 blah. Did I tell her something? I did. Is there a verb? No, there's not. Yeah, what is it? I blank, you blank, you blank. Oh, there is a verb. Okay, how many are there? That's a guide for the conversation. And if we do it systematically and repeat it exactly like that and keep our pacing kind of quick after they've internalized the parts, then that thing comes alive and it becomes something that they do when they look at a sentence together. Last year's release test, this was a 2015 grade 4 test. What's the correct way to write sentence 20? They don't even have to look at sentence 19 or 21. Just look at the answer choices here. Otherwise, the pancakes would stick to the surface, period. And have a big mess to clean up. Psst, Amy. And have a big mess to clean up. That flunks this, and they can X that out and do what I saw Maureen posting on Facebook. Her kids were writing down, not a sentence. Look at G. Otherwise, the pancakes would stick to the surface. Then we would have a big mess to clean up. What do you notice? The kids go, oh, 2 sentences joined by what? Thin air. Can you do that? No. They'd write never on here. And they know for sure that cannot be the choice. Look at H. Otherwise, the pancakes would stick to the surface and we would have a big mess to clean up. What do you see? 2 sentences joined with a fanboy. It is absolutely correct. If they look at the answer choice J on the paper, they see one of them would flunk the Amy test. And the sentence ringer has helped them nail exactly which one is the correct answer. Do you know how many 4th graders missed this question in 2015? More than half. Way more than half. This is one of the reasons we have low scores. Questions like this. And usually I'm standing next to that when we're doing the ringer, using my hand as a pointer to show where we are. I ask kids to write those 3 questions, statement, verb, how many, and even repeat them. Try it. Statement, verb, how many? Ready?
Statement, verb, how many?
Again, statement, verb, how many? Statement, verb, how many? And it goes inside. Because those are the 3 questions. Is it a statement? Psst. Is there a verb? Prove it. How many? How are they joined? Statement, verb, how many? And that's the ringer.